Welcome to the session on building your own Android app. Let's build a text-to-speech conversion app. In this app, we need a text box to type any text, and a button to command the app to convert the text in the text box to speech. So, the main components required are a text box and a button. We will start with placing an image for our component in the app design interface. We will be placing the components in the layout frame. First, drag and drop a horizontal arrangement layout into the design interface, and set its width to fill parent design frame. Then, drag the image component, and place it in the horizontal arrangement layout. Click on the image component, and navigate to its picture property. Click on Upload, and upload a picture of your choice. After selecting the picture, you can align this picture by changing the Align property of the horizontal arrangement layout. Similarly, we will be importing a text box component on the horizontal arrangement layout, and position it in the center. This text box is to write any text, which needs to be converted into speech. Finally, we are importing a button, which we will use as a command to convert text into speech. With this, the design of our app is done. Next, we need to add functionality to our app. To add functionality to our app, we will be using programming blocks of App Inventor. For this, first go to the Blocks section. In the Blocks section, on the left side of the window, the components that you have added in your app will be visible. On clicking on each of the components, the relative programming blocks can be shown. The blocks which start with a when are event handlers that are used to execute action when an event has occurred. These event handlers vary with components. The blocks in maroon that start with call are methods that perform function when required. Generally, these blocks are placed with event handlers. The blocks in light green are used to extract properties of components. The blocks in dark green, which start with set, are used to set the properties of a component. Now, let's start building the code blocks for our app. In this app, we need the text in a text box to be converted into speech when a button is pressed. So, we will begin with importing an event handler of the button, which is called to run when the button is clicked upon. Now, once the button is clicked, we need a text-to-speech component to convert the text in the text box to speech. Since we have not yet imported text-to-speech component, we will first import it to our app. Then go to Blocks, and import the speak message block of the text-to-speech component, which is a method of the text-to-speech component. Finally, we need to give an input to the text-to-speech component. This input will come from the text stored in the text box. So, import the text property of the text box, and place it in the line with speak message block. With this, we have defined the required functionality of our components of the app. Finally, you can build the APK file for the app, which can be saved to the computer or directly installed on your phone by scanning the QR code. In the next session, you will learn to build a speech recognition app by using this interface. Thank you for watching.